Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gemstone Academy. I'm Ahmed, and we've been on an incredible journey through the world of diamonds. Today, we're stepping into the future with one of the most exciting developments in diamond recovery: artificial intelligence in ore processing. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how AI and machine learning are revolutionizing every stage of the processing plant, from smarter crushing and sorting to predictive maintenance and record-breaking recovery rates. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive into the AI-powered future. First, why does ore processing need AI so badly? As we learned, kimberlite ore is extremely low grade. Variations in ore quality and mineral content can still cause lost diamonds. That's where AI steps in as the ultimate smart assistant, analyzing massive amounts of real-time data. Let's start at the very beginning: crushing and grinding. AI-powered systems now monitor conveyor belts and mills using cameras and vibration sensors. Machine learning models predict when rocks are the wrong size or when a mill is about to overload. The AI can automatically adjust feed rates or mill speeds in real time. This prevents equipment damage, saves enormous amounts of energy, and ensures diamonds are properly liberated without being crushed into dust. Every adjustment is made with diamond safety in mind. The real game changer happens in the sorting stage. Modern diamond sorters already use X-rays and lasers. Now, companies like TOMRA Mining have added deep learning AI with systems that analyze X-ray images in real time, recognizing complex patterns that traditional algorithms miss. These neural networks give single particle precision even on high-speed belts. They specialize in spotting diamonds hidden inside other minerals. The result? Recovery rates pushing 99% for diamonds as small as 1 millimeter, with far less waste rock in the concentrate. Imagine this: a fast-moving stream of crushed kimberlite passes under dual-energy X-ray scanners. The AI doesn't just look for bright fluorescence. It studies atomic density, shape, and texture using networks trained on thousands of real diamond samples. It is decades of experience in a millisecond. In milliseconds, the AI decides exactly which particles to eject with precision air jets. This is like giving the sorter superhuman vision and decades of experience. It ensures the most valuable stones are never lost to the waste pile. Beyond sorting, AI optimizes the entire flow sheet. Some plants use digital twins, virtual replicas of the entire facility, where AI runs thousands of simulations to find the absolute best operating conditions before making changes in the real plant. This is optimization at a whole new scale. Predictive analytics monitor dense media separation cyclones, adjusting the ferrosilicon density automatically as ore characteristics change. If the feed suddenly becomes richer in a certain mineral, the AI tweaks parameters to keep recovery high and consistent. Another huge benefit is predictive maintenance. AI analyzes data from hundreds of sensors on pumps and sorters. It can predict when a bearing is about to fail or when a sorter lamp is losing power, often days or weeks in advance. Mines avoid surprise shutdowns and reduce costs significantly. Sustainability gets a major boost too. AI helps minimize water and energy use by optimizing recycling systems. In water-scarce regions like parts of Botswana and Namibia, these smart systems are making diamond processing more environmentally responsible than ever before. Let's talk real-world examples. AI-driven XRT systems have transformed final recovery circuits at operations around the world. Major mines like those operated by De Beers, Rio Tinto at Diavik, and ALROSA are integrating AI across their entire processing plants. In exploration to processing pipelines, AI is even helping characterize ore variability before it reaches the plant, allowing better blending and planning. It's about understanding the geology before the first rock is even crushed. One mind-blowing development: AI can now distinguish natural diamonds from potential waste right in the plant. Advanced systems classify diamonds by rough quality characteristics, giving mine planners instant feedback on the actual value of each batch. Of course, AI isn't replacing people. It's making them far more effective. Highly skilled operators and metallurgists now work alongside AI using dashboards that turn complex data into clear recommendations. The technology learns continuously from each shift, getting smarter over time. Thanks to AI, mines that were once considered marginal can now become highly profitable because they recover more diamonds with less waste. This also means fewer new mines need to be opened, helping balance supply with responsible practices for the future. So the next time you admire a brilliant natural diamond, remember it didn't just survive a volcanic journey. It was gently coaxed out of tons of rock by intelligent machines that see what human eyes never could. It is the perfect marriage of nature and technology. If you enjoyed this look at AI in ore processing, smash that like button. Tell me in the comments, should our next video cover famous diamonds in history, how they are cut and graded, or the rise of lab-grown diamonds? I'm Ahmed. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Gemstone Academy YouTube channel, and drop a comment below, letting us know what other aspect of gemstone science you'd love to explore next. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.